Discussed about the brand, we discussed about the digital marketing area, and we also discussed about how precise traditional versus digital, right? So now when it comes to digital, we have a precision, how we can target the audience, right, in a particular geographic area with 5 kilometer radius, with this gender, with this profile. So how do you, when it comes to selecting the audience, because you're in strategy building, right, to the hospitals and how do you target the audience and what is strategy behind that?
All right. It's a great question, Sachin. See, basically, there are many young practitioners who are here and hospital owners and everything. So we have gone through a lot of transformation, isn't it? 100 years back, there was no antibiotics, there was no PCs. Today we have internet, we have AI, we talk about ML, we talk about a lot of things. But one thing, think about this, one thing has not changed. Understanding your patient very well was the kind of a fundamental to the success before with this technology and future also. So stick to that basics of getting deeper in understanding your patient persona. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಒಕ್ಕಲಿಗರಾಗಿ ವ್ಯವಸಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ವ್ಯವಸಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರುವಾಗ ಬೆಳೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು, ನೆಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಬೆಳೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಸೀಸನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ರೈತ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವೇ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಾವು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಸೋನ ನಾವು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳಷ್ಟು ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಂಬರ್ ಒನ್, ಈಗ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೆಂಗಪ್ಪ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ನಮ್ಗೇನ್ರಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಪ್ರಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಖಂಡಿತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೆವೆಲ್, 1% increase in patient persona will increase at least 20% of engagement. 20% of engagement. Digital marketers and hospital owners who have clicked in hospital administration, they say that the engagement, understanding the patient persona increases 75% of the social media engagement, PR engagement, offline irbodu, online irbodu, nimge yav channel barkagutte ade ಮಾಡಿ. So 80-20 rule ಒಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 20% of patients are giving 80% of your satisfaction and 80% of your revenue. Find out that 20%. Imagine 3 patients in your mind. Think about their age, gender, psychographics, their lifestyle, what kind of work they do, what they like, what they don't like. ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗಿ 10 ನಿಮಿಷ patient persona ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. That should be the basis for all your marketing strategy, whether it is digital, online, offline or anything.
Right.
Fix with that and you will definitely make great progress.
So very rightly said, so it's more of patient persona. So we call it as avatar. If this was an ideal patient, how he, what should the age, right? So I'll just tell one incident. So what was the target audience of Shah Rukh Khan movies? Okay, who is the target audience of Shah Rukh Khan movies? You would think of more of a male engaged group. No, it was target audience of Shah Rukh Khan movies were housewives, right? They were the decision maker and they wanted to watch it. So something, I think we don't have much time to discuss on that, but that's where the targeting goes into. Okay, so moving on to ma'am. So looking into international